Hi friends, Halloween is in the air. So today Ruby and I are going to be opening a slimy gloop mystery mix'ems kit. It comes with mini silver stars, a mystery piece, and this gorgeous, beautiful slime. You know, Mama's obsessed with some glitter. So you reveal, mix, and play. Let's get to opening.
We're gonna open.
Mystery slimy glue mystery mix-up.
Aww.
Little Terrence want to join.
Come on, little tiny Terrence. Get up here. We're gonna open it.
Okay. Whoa. Kind of want to. Whoa, kitty. Okay, so what are we starting on?
Mystery.
Show it to us.
Mystery. Right back.
Okay.
We got the mermaid.
Ooh, nice.
We got some mermaid.
Show us. Oh, two?
Yeah.
They're pretty. We have twin mermaids. They have some nice aqua colored hair and a cream colored fin. I like them.
So cool.
Ooh, I like how sparkly it is.
It's cute.
It's kind of putty-ish, huh? It's not like too gloopy. Can you stretch it? Nope, not really, huh? So this is our slime. Kind of dry. It's not like sticking together super well, but it's beautiful, gorgeous. Mama loves sparkles.
Get that.
Now we have our second.
It's powder.
Oh, that's powder?
Yeah.
Nice.
That's the powdies.
And powdies.
Some purple powdies. It's not food.
He's like, what is that? What is that?
It's
Just slime. Oh, he's playing. Here's our beautiful, sparkly, shiny star glitters. I love me some glitter.
I'm not sure about this.
Ooh, that looks pretty.
Oh.
Wow.
You
Want me to help?
Let me go wash.
Okay. Gonna wash up. I'll finish up here.
Okay.
The rest of our beautiful stars. This particular slime is not mixing up particularly well. I think this is a bit of a slime fail, folks. I would not recommend the slimy gloop mixture slime mix'ems. It's pretty, but it's not like you can really play with it. It's kind of just falling to pieces.
I'm back.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, I believe perhaps it got too dry. I'm not really sure, but it's not adhering properly. And it makes quite a mess on your fingers, as you saw with Ruby's hands and Mama's hands. Oy vey, I mean, it's pretty, but that's pretty messy too.
He ate it.
Here's our little mermaid taking a bath. Our twin kind of disappeared, but
Kinda add some water and see if it fixes that.
Yeah, we're gonna add some water to our slime to see if it goops it up a little more, makes it a little less dry. It's an experiment, so...
The glitter's getting off.
Oh boy, oops. There's plastic in there.
Ew.
Is it working?
No.
No. It did not work. This is a little bit of a slime fail. Even though the slime is beautiful.
It's getting off there now.
So everything kind of separated now. Can you show us? Kind of drop it in the bowl.
Ew, this was bad feeling about this.
So this is what I would definitely call a total slime fail. How about you, Bear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I don't think so, Bear. I don't know. Witch's brew.
What a mess. What a watery, non-goopy slime mess. Mix it up.
Ew. That's what you call a pretty witch's stew. Smelly jums.
Slime and snails and coconut trails
And slime and
babies.
and big spiders.
I mean, I gotta tell you, I think it's gorgeous. Like when you squeeze it, it's got this really nice blue iridescent glitter that was built into the slime, but it just didn't come together right, folks. You win some, you lose some, right, Rue?
Yeah.